Welcome to the Data Entry Operations lesson on formulas, functions and charts. In this lesson, you will learn about formulas and functions, charts and graphics, autoshapes and SmartArt. Think of Excel as your toolbox for working with numbers, where formulas are like special commands that perform mathematical operations on your data. They start with an equal to sign, much like a command in a computer program. You can add, subtract, multiply, divide, or even work complex mathematical wonders using formulas. Think of them as your trusty spell components. Now, let's talk about functions. They're like magical recipes built right into Excel. You just provide them ingredients called arguments, and they whip up results like a culinary genius. From calculating sums to checking conditions, functions are your go-to spells for all things data. Now, visualize Excel as your enchanted canvas. Functions are the paintbrushes that help you create beautiful data art. Let's reveal the power of charts. They're like magical mirrors that transform boring numbers into captivating visuals. Just imagine you are tracking your favorite fruits. A pie chart can showcase the proportions of apples, oranges, and bananas in a fun and colorful way. There's a whole gallery of chart types: columns, lines, pies, and many more. Then, the columns help you compare, lines show trends, and pies reveal proportions. Charts are like windows to another world of data storytelling. Now, let's peek at the ingredients of a chart like a recipe card for visual magic. We've got the chart title, the grand introduction, the axis, guiding your data's journey, and labels, the storytellers of your data points. Oh, and legends are like the keys that unlock the secrets of each data series. You can also resize and move your chart, just like rearranging puzzle pieces. And if you're ready to show off your data masterpiece, you can copy your chart into other documents like Word or PowerPoint. Remember, each time you create a chart, you're painting your data story on a canvas of numbers. Next, we have autoshapes, SmartArt, ClipArt, and all things visually captivating. We're about to paint our data canvas with shapes, colors, and creativity. Imagine Excel turning into a magical art studio. First, let's talk about autoshapes. Think of them as your digital drawing tools. You can craft everything from simple lines to complex flow charts right here. Now, how to summon these enchanting shapes? Just click on the Insert tab and dive into the Shapes menu like an explorer. Lines, arrows, stars, and much more. With autoshapes, you can draw anything your creative heart desires. But wait, ever wanted to create stunning graphics that tell a story? That's where SmartArt comes in. SmartArt is like a storytelling spell. It turns your boring data into a visual tale that captures everyone's attention. Creating SmartArt is like choosing a wand. You pick a category: process, cycle, hierarchy, or relationship, and watch your data story come alive. Need to add a little more art? Then, ClipArt is your seasoning. It's like adding sprinkles to your cupcake of creativity. Click, choose, and there it is. You've got a media file that adds a dash of charm to your masterpiece. And if you're more of a visual storyteller, you can insert pictures from your own collection. Imagine your data mingling with photos, creating a symphony of information. Remember, you're not just entering data, you're crafting visual wonders that tell tales, make impressions, and leave a mark. That concludes our lesson. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook by our publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I'll see you in the next lesson.